Alright, so I'm about to show you basically how easy it is to create any melody that you want with no music theory needed. So this is something I struggled with for quite a while, but once I learned this hack, I just started making like tons of melodies, and making beats just became like so much funner to me. So you're just basically gonna want to go into Google and just search whatever artist and MIDI. If you struggle to find the artist that you're looking for, then maybe searching for similar artists and similar styles. Alright, so this is literally the first link that I found on Reddit. So it's Lunar by Mullen. Sounds good. We're just going to drag this MIDI file in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the scale really quick. I'm just going to assume this is the root note here. Starts on A sharp. So we'll go A sharp. Yep, perfect. So we're in A sharp major, which is also F sharp minor. If we're in the major scale, so it goes 1, 7, 6, and then 5. So that's the chord progression. And then if we kind of like analyze these notes, like this is kind of like the body of the melody. We could just look at like 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3 in the scale. We've also got the 7th here. What I can do is just steal these root notes. Let's make a new MIDI. So we'll just make our own melody using the exact same notes, but just in different order and just creating a different rhythm, and we'll see how it goes. It's a little bit basic, so I'm going to go back and reference the other MIDI to find some other notes that I can reuse. So going back and referencing the original MIDI, we've got these top notes here. These are actually just like the 3rd and the 2nd. They're just in a different octave. And then we've got the 7th again. Just like layering the voicings just to make it interesting. Got a few different notes here. So if that's the 7th, this one will be the 6th and the 5th. Knowing that, we can use those notes as well.